Good afternoon, everyone. Today I would tell a story, How Much Land Does a Man Need? Written by a great Russian author, Tolstoy. Story follows mm, uh, s- story follows Pahom, a poor but hardworking farmer. He often thinks that if I had a more land, I would be truly happy. I would be truly happy. But then he usually buy more and more land. The more he buy, the more he wants. High greedy nature increases day by day. One day, Pahom listened from a group of villagers strange offer that that 1,000 ruble a man can buy a land as much as he can as he can in a single day, but he have to return by sunset at the starting point. So Paham thought that this is a great chance to become rich forever. He started walking on the land in the when uh, sunrise. So while walking, he has gone too far that he thought when it's sunset, he thought that he has then he thought that he has come so far that he will be not possible to reach the starting point by the sunset. He ran fast to reach the point, but and he reached the point, reached the starting point. But that time he was so exhausted that he died on the spot. Her servant, her servant buried him in a grave 6 feet long. That's only the land he truly needed in the end. So from this we get a lesson that we that being greedy being a greedy is not a solution. We can lose everything, even our lives. Chasing more and more will always will not give a peace. For happiness, uh, we have to stop greeding, and let us remember one thing that in our life we want many things, but only we need is at the end we need is enough. Thank you.